guys, what's going on? Hope you're having a fantastic day. So today I'm just quickly going to explain what this little Instagram channel is for. So on this Instagram channel I'll be sharing some armor forger tools, tips and tricks that I've learned on the way, and also some Blender tips and tricks that you can use that I've also learned on the way. Eventually I'll get to Unreal Engine and I'll share some tips and tricks that I've also learned on the way. So if you want to learn more about Armor Forger tools, Blender, or Unreal Engine eventually, make sure that you follow and like the video. This will just make sure that it has a lot more reach and can reach a lot more people. So yeah, thank you very much guys, and I will catch you guys in the next tip. Cheers.